Can you see it? Look a little closer. Can you see it now? A cleaner world does not begin only on what you see. It begins at the source. In sustainable material sourcing, in logistic management, in environmentally friendly manufacturing, in the care we give to workers, in the clean optimization, in the clean natural products. Because when you look closely enough, you will see the standard. You will see a commitment to the glove world. You will see clean world, clean gloves. One mark, a complete commitment to clean.